Trilla Technical Person of the Year award goes to Mr. V.K. Mishra of
First of all, at the outset, I'd like to sincerely thank on behalf of myself as well as on behalf of Team JK Tyre to the organizers and of course the jury for conferring this award. Award is of course is a recognition which one receives with mixed feelings. While on the one hand, the recipient is pleased with the recognition, on the other hand, it reminds one of the added responsibility. I just wanted to just touch upon two things, that the country is facing massive challenges, and at the same time there is a tremendous amount of growth and opportunities which are coming. And of course, we believe that with the focused approach and concerted efforts by academicians, by technologists, by industry, by government, I think a lot can be done, and of course technology will be the backbone for the growth of this industry in this country. And I just wanted to share just now, somebody spoke about skill development. Incidentally, I just want to tell you that IRI, I'm also Vice Chairman of IRI in India, and we are doing a lot of work in the field of rubber. Of course, we are trying to train people in various fronts in terms of technology, manufacturing, processing, machines, etc. But yes, this is one area which you just touched upon. I think that's another very, very interesting area. Not only that, we at JK Tyre, we have also taken upon ourselves to sort of extend this facility of skilling or creating a skilled force as kind of a voluntarily, kind of a support to, and we have already trained, I think, hundreds of them. Our incidentally R&D setup and ASETRI is also recognized by government as one of the the training center. So we are doing a lot of work on on the areas of skill development. Not only that, JK Tyre, as you know, is a pioneer in. I think the focus is on technology all along. We continue to invest, and I'm glad not only, of course, JK Tyre, but the entire Indian rubber industry, Indian tire industry is made big strides in the global arena, in the global rubber field, and of course we at JK Tyre would continue to strive and continue to work towards further growth, improvement and technology development. With that, I'd just like to thank everybody again. Wonderful, and thanks a lot for the patience and the time being spent here. Thank you so much.